Hi my beauty family, how you doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's your girl Nadia, and Nadia Giving Beauty. Today's video, as you can see, it's gonna be about my hair journey or my hairstyle. So for the first time since I cut my hair, I'm gonna style on my own, and I'm gonna be using the Don't Shrink and Jackie's brand. So I guess you can see. Yeah, it is. And I have my leave-in conditioner. I just shampoo my hair and deep condition it. So I have my leave-in conditioner. For my leave-in conditioner, I use this right here. Right here I have my Jamaican black castor, the extra dark one, for my scalp. So first of all, we're gonna go in with this one and get the scalp all moisturized and good to go. So I just put it in here so it's easy to apply. So just watch me go through, like it's nothing special, just oil your scalp. I'm working on a freshly washed hair right now. Since I'm here, guys, I promised y'all I was gonna tell you about why I cut my hair, right? So we're just gonna go at it right now. So a few weeks passed before I cut my hair, or before I got a haircut. I didn't cut my own. I went to the salon and get my hair cut. So the reason is I was having a terrible headaches. Like usually when I have migraines though, but this one wasn't no migraine, but it was so painful, like migraine, because I know how my migraine starts. But this wasn't no migraine. It was a terrible headache for like 3 weeks in a row. Well, since I was already planning on for getting my hair cut, I was like, okay, let me just go and get this hair cut. You can have somebody also massage your hair. It's even better. Ooh, feels good. Leave-in conditioner. Wait. You see that? This thing smells fantastic. My hair shrinks a lot. Let me show you. You see? This is how long my hair really is. All the way here. But look the shrinkage. Let me cover my sweater so I don't get it dirty because I have foundation on already. This is my hair. Let me give you a closer look. And Jackie's flaxseed enhancing curl gel. It's supposed to enhance your curls, and it says don't shrink. So it's not supposed to shrink your hair. It's supposed to elongation, right? So let's get to it. I'm just gonna go in sections like this. So as I was saying, so the lady washed my hair. First of all, she cut the hair. She put the color in, and then shampoo, condition, deep conditioned, and style. First of all, there's something I need to tell my ladies here, my beauty ladies. Not just because I had the headache, but there's something that we ignore. If self-care or self-love, if you want to care for yourself or love yourself, guys, you have to take care of your hair, your head. Now, not just your hair, but your head, like your scalp. Your scalp. I almost cried in the salon. Reason is, the lady massaged my hair like nothing. Like, have you ever thought about massaging your hair? I heard people say it, but I'm like, okay, how? The only thing I do when I oil my scalp, I rub it in. That's it. I thought that was a massage. So the lady asked me, are you tender-headed? I say, heck no. And she started massaging my head. Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. This is another feeling. Y'all gotta feel it. Y'all need to go to the hair salon because they know how to do it. And then when you're done with the salon, then you can do it at home. You can show somebody to do it for you at home. At least once a month, guys. You can do it at home just like that. You have to massage your head, your scalp. I kept saying your head, but your scalp. And that was it. That was the end of my headache. It's been 2 weeks now, and I have not had nothing. I have not had no headaches whatsoever. No headaches whatsoever. So guys, take it from me. I am a living proof of massaging scalp helping or healing somebody. If somebody told me that, I'll be like, stop, just stop playing, stop, don't be, I would say that. But I did it. I experienced it till today I'm talking to you guys. I haven't felt nothing. No, nothing. So y'all need to try it and let me know. Tag me. I'm almost done. Almost done with the middle. The middle is okay. I mean, the sides are not much. There's not much to do on the side. So I'm almost done here. So let's go back in here. And yeah, this hair is popping already. Even though we're not done yet, it's popping. the sides and the back. Right now this is what it's looking like. Hopefully I can do quick enough. That's what we're working with on the back. You see that? All I did, I just laid my hair down with the gel, and then I would just pick it. It's all looking flat, but I'm gonna show it to you in 3 days or 2, maybe tomorrow when it gets dry and fluffed up. Yes, I will come back here and show you guys. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like it, you want to see me trying more styles, let me know down the comment section. Thank you so much. Love you all. Bye bye.